if you need a copy of this form, you can pop along to my website at XlsDesign and download a copy. I'm only going to show you the basics for using this form, as it's quite easy to use. First thing we'll do is open the form. Now the point of the form is to store information in a folder stroke file hierarchy type system. So the folder would be our main menu here, and the sub menu would contain a list of all the files within the main menu. Now each sub menu has two sets of notes that we can record for it. So you may just use Cliff Notes, and then the other box you could save a more detailed description. Both of these notes boxes have a right click menu attached with your standard cut, copy, paste, and we can also change the font size. Now the sub menu and the main menu, they also have a right click attached to them, but in this case we have slightly different options where we can create a new item, delete an item, or rename one. So quick test here, we'll create a new main item, we'll just call it test, click OK. So in test, it's automatically put in one sub menu, as each main menu must contain at least one sub menu. So what we can do here is we could either create a new item and then go and delete this one, or we could just rename that, and we'll rename that test 2, and there we go. And as we can see, we can create more items, and this test 2, now that we've got 2 items in the sub menu, if needed be, we could delete that. Just gives us a message box prompt, and I've just deleted that. We have an options tab at the top here, and we can disable or enable message boxes. As you use the program, you'll probably want to disable some of these. One good one that I find that I never disable is if I type some notes and I leave that box without saving, then it gives me a prompt to either save my changes or undo the typing that I just did. So I'll save them, it tells me successful. That's pretty much it. The rest of it I think you'll work out as you go along. Thank you.